Welcome to Transtar. This video provides a quick introduction to Transtar's 2-in-1 primer. It's a lacquer-based, versatile product that will create a uniform surface for painting by filling scratches and leveling small imperfections. 2-in-1 primer is easy to use, dries fast, and is easy to sand. It also works well on a variety of materials. The 2-in-1 in the name means that the product works on a range of metal and plastic substrates, from bare steel, galvanized and aluminum, to flexible, rigid and soft plastics. 2-in-1 primer also works on OEM e-coat surfaces, body filler, and existing OEM and aftermarket finishes. Transtar 2-in-1 primer has a proprietary nozzle that is fully adjustable. The spray tip can be rotated to change the fan pattern direction from horizontal to vertical to accommodate a range of applications. More importantly, 2-in-1 primer sticks. You can see here that it has excellent adhesion to metal and plastic. Transtar 2-in-1 primer comes in 4 colors: gray, black, red oxide, and white. 2-in-1 primer dries fast too. Apply 2 to 3 light coats, allow a 5 to 10 minute flash between coats, and you'll be ready to sand in 15 to 20 minutes. With a 15-ounce fill weight, you get more usable material per can. Ready for Transtar 2-in-1 primer? Visit gettranstar.com to find a distributor.